Review Tiblue Insulated Lunch Bag. The extra thick soft EVA liner and a heat-welded seam will guard your lunch bag against water leaking. Moreover, you won't find any difficulties cleaning the box, just wipe off if anything spills inside. Thermal Insulated. With an eco-friendly EVA material and pearl, the foam will give you wear-resistant properties and high durability. Also, the fabric is smoother due to the 300D polyester fabric. Your foods will remain dry for a long time with the help of a composite tarpaulin. Spacious and compartments. This bag is designed for maximum storage efficiency in a dimension of 10 by 6.7 by 8 inches. Certain accessories will provide you with plenty of space to pack all of your food and snacks. Like a 1 main zipped compartment, 1 front zippered pocket, 1 back pocket, 2 mesh pockets, and 1 internal mesh pocket. Convenient and portable. As I mentioned before, you can carry this product with you because of its extreme portability. And the lightweight solution will give you enough convenience to maintain. Pros. Reusable lunchbox. Easy to clean. Plenty of space to pack food. Lightweight and portable. Cons. Too much small. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.